When you look at how far the technology has come in toaster ovens, you almost start wondering if you even need a traditional oven in your kitchen. These things are now loaded with full-on meal preparation technology with over 10 functions within a single device. Features like even heat distribution and preset functions are the new big thing, and they pretty much allow you to become a home chef. Now, depending on your style, your ideal best toaster oven will certainly vary. So join us for a rundown of the finest options on the market right now. Just one thing before we start though. We recommend using the links we placed in the description box because they will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going now. Number 6. Black & Decker TO3250XSB. Best value for money. We'll get this show on the road in the high value domain with this Black & Decker model. Considering the price tag, we're kind of blown away with what you get. The interior, it's spacious. We're looking at easy handling of your standard 9x13-inch pans with handles. That means all the lasagnas or brownies you can think of. But unlike too many compact models that are limited to smaller dishes, this one allows you to use that bulky bakeware you normally put in your full-sized oven only. In specific terms, you can bake a 12-inch pizza or a whole batch of brownies. Now, tech-wise, we have to talk about the convection heating system. This feature circulates warm air through a fan so all your food is baked with maximum efficiency. For example, you won't get burnt edges, which is great. But even more importantly, your food will be cooked evenly. We also love the dedicated toast timer because we struggled with inconsistent toast in the past. You can choose the preferred shade for your toast. How amazing is that? Also included in the mix is a 60-minute timer with a stay-on feature, along with 3 rack positions so you can cook anything you want. Cleanup is also easy because the crumb tray slides out. For the listed price tag, we think you simply can't beat this one, guys. Number 5, Ninja DT251. Best large capacity option. Up next, we have the mighty Ninja, and it packs a massive capacity. And by massive, we mean fitting a full-on 5-pound chicken and a whole sheet pan of veggies in one go. Wow! Or you can bake 2 12-inch pizzas without overcrowding. Double wow! The first feature we noticed is called the True Surround Convection. This technology is designed to cook your food faster and more evenly when compared to those traditional convection ovens. You can roast a turkey or bake cookies. The results will be 100% consistent every single time. And yes, this means you will also spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meal. The Smart Cook system is also great. It works by taking the guesswork out of cooking through smart technology for specific food types. A Foodie Smart Thermometer is also included in the mix to make sure everything is cooked just right based on your setup. It's a level of precision reserved for premium tier products. When we talk about speed, the DT251 can preheat your meal in 90 seconds. It will cook up to 30% faster compared to full-size convection ovens too. So it's not just about saving time through large capacity, it's also about the cooking tech. The digital display handle is also a nice touch because it's very user-friendly. It highlights optimal rack positions for every available cooking function. Good stuff overall. Number 4, Cosori CTO R251S Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Most versatile option. If you want maximum versatility with your toaster oven, the Kasori CTO R251S Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven should be at the top of your list. The first thing we noticed, of course, are the 12 cooking functions. This includes everything from air frying to roasting and baking. The onboard functions cover all bases, so you can make crispy fries one day and then do a perfectly roasted chicken the next, all using the same device. The capacity of this model is also top-notch, because this thing can comfortably fit 6 slices of bread, for example. A 12-inch pizza easily fits 2, or even a 5-pound chicken. That's ideal for family dinners or gatherings. In our experience, the majority of the more standard toaster ovens will struggle in this department and leave you with somewhat unevenly cooked meals. But with the Cosori, everything is heated evenly because the device has 6 heat elements and a 2-speed fan that will circulate hot air efficiently. The rapid heat circulation reduces cooking time significantly. The toaster oven can be controlled remotely using the VSync app. Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It comes with a digital library of recipes with full-on step-by-step guidance. The stainless steel construction is excellent as well, guaranteeing maximum durability. When the time comes to clean the Cosori, you'll thank the manufacturer for adding a removable crumb tray and non-stick food tray. You won't be messing around with stubborn stains or crumbs at the bottom of the oven anymore. Nice one. Number 3. Cuisinart TOA 70. Top pick for making pizza. If you're passionate about pizza, the Cuisinart TOA 70 is where it's at for you. First of all, the wide temperature range on this model goes all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The high heat is very important if you want to achieve that perfect crispy crust, so we're off to a great start here. And yes, Cuisinart TOA 70 is big enough to handle even a full 12-inch pizza. We love family pizza night, and this size is just right in our opinion. In most cases, budget toaster oven options can barely fit a personal-sized pizza, but not this one. No, you're getting restaurant-sized portions right at home here, guys. The oven is also easy to operate. It has an adjustable temperature dial and a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off. It's all basic but highly efficient. Most importantly, you can make all the settings to match your cooking style. We love the addition of the toast shade selector if you want your pizza crusts all golden and crunchy. Like we said, the design is user-friendly and to the point, but the cleaning is also hassle-free. The entire interior is non-stick. And if you want to go beyond pizza, worry not, because this bad boy packs an oven rack, an air fry basket, and even a full-on baking pan. Nothing but a thumbs up from here, folks. Number 2. Heatmate SET G16. Graphite grill and toaster oven. Easiest to use. Up next, allow us to introduce you to the Heatmate SET G16 Graphite Grill and Toaster Oven. The best toaster oven on the market right now when it comes to advanced tech and ease of use. Right out of the gate, the instant heat feature has impressed us so thoroughly. So the traditional ovens take ages to preheat, right? Well, this little marvel is ready to go in seconds. Wow! And that was just the first taste of the high-tech loaded in this little beast. Speaking of which, the real magic here is in the revolutionary graphite heating technology. This is not just tech jargon. It means that your meals cook faster and more evenly, all while consuming less energy. It's a paradigm shift. When we compare this tech to the regular coil-based toaster ovens, it feels a bit like upgrading from dial-up to fiber optic internet. And it's not just efficient but also eco-friendly, meaning nature and your power bill will thank you. Heatmate operation is as easy as pie, too. The device has a set of straightforward turn-dial temperature controls and timer functions, so you won't need an engineering degree to get those ideal results. You could be broiling veggies or toasting a sandwich. All functions are highly intuitive and easy to master. The design is compact, and despite the reduced footprint, the Heatmate is packed with accessories, including a set of 4 non-stick pans. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV 900 BSS. Best overall pick. We would now like to enter the premium tier domain with this fine toaster oven from Breville, the Pro model, the winner for today. This thing struck us as a high-end option right out of the gate with its Element IQ system. It uses 6 quartz elements that are all controlled by smart algorithms for the best possible heat distribution. You will not be dealing with burnt edges or undercooked centers here. You will get it right and perfectly every single time. Another way Breville stands out from regular toaster ovens is the super convection technology. This isn't just marketing fluff, guys. No way. This feature includes a 2-speed convection fan that maximizes airflow. In simple terms, it will cut cooking times by up to 30%. The results are consistently delicious whether you want crispy fries or to roast a chicken. The device includes 13 cooking functions, making this oven one of the most versatile options on the market. You can bake cookies or slow cook a stew. It's all good with the Pro. The oven has a built-in light, which is convenient. The controls are easy to navigate, and the Breville Plus function will open up a world of possibilities for you, with over 1,000 guided recipes and cooking classes. When we compare this thing to the industry standard, the Breville just offers more on every front. We see it as a full-on investment in quality and consistent results for years to come. If your budget allows you, we say go for it. You wanted the best? Well, this is the one. We believe that would be all for today. First of all, we hope this guide was helpful and that you found a toaster oven that suits you. Secondly, let us know in the comments. Are you looking for a large capacity toaster oven to cover your whole family or for something more compact? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this one and have a nice day.